Hi, good evening all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well today, ending up in green. It was a wonderful price action today, and I believe we all should have made some good money today. It was just simply one directional. You see, we added, just gonna do the quick recap that what we did in the morning. If you guys need to see the morning video to understand this recap, that what was my mindset before the market open. I was screaming about that there is a long target, like we can get it today, or we can get aftermarket after the market closes, and I was screamingly saying that these tails, we need to go above 2063 to test this target, and then like we can see it today or tomorrow, and it's going to be one-sided trade. So what happened here, like let's do the recap now. For me, the most important thing is to understand the 4 hour chart, to understand what exactly is going on with our market. If you cannot put enough effort towards the 4 hour chart, you will be confused during the daytime, because you will not understand the bigger picture. You will not understand the direction of the market. That is very important for a day trader, to understand that what are the targets, what is the direction, and all that. Let me do the 4 hour very quick. If you guys remember that, okay, I have to do that. I mean, like, everything is recorded in the early morning video. You can always go back and like see what I was saying. I put this line early morning. I remember. I don't know if I definitely shared with you guys that after 2063 the target will be 2069 or 70ish. And then we're gonna go for 76. So basically, this line came from there. And let's see how our 5 minute reacted today to all these price action around that targets. Right, 5 minute. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna go like this. Okay. So guys, this is what I saw when the market opened, right? And when the market opened like this, I was thinking, okay, I need to close above 2063 for the next target, as I'm prepared. We gapped up. Did I took any position? I did, but honestly, most of the guys should not take this position, and they should wait for 5 minute candle to close above this for the next leg up. Okay, we poked back, we came back. Is it a short? This is definitely not a short. But this is not a buy as well. We should not buy this. It's a breakout point. We are trying to break out above 2063, or we're gonna test 2055. Okay, we closed above, we break out. It's a very good point. It's a very good buy. It's a buy at the close. It's not buy at the limit. It's buy at the close, with the stop with 2060, which target we have before the market. The stop is this. How many contracts? If I'm buying 5, I'll buy 2 or 3. It's looking very aggressive. Again, from the 4 hour chart, we have the mindset up that if we close from 2063, we're going to drag, or we're going to explode, but we're definitely going to see 2076, and we're going to see our blue trend line. Let's see what happened next. Okay, we saw this. So after this candle, what will you do? I closed my position. Why? We're going to test 2069. I shared with you guys on that thing as well. I closed this position, and now I'm gonna see if we're getting any pullback. Are we getting a deeper pullback? Are we getting a flush? What are we getting? I don't know. But I took my position. But where did this line came from? This line came from the 4 hour chart, which we saw that pre-market, before the market opened, bulls had this target for us. Bulls saw the sell-off from this point. So right now, if we close well above 2070 or 2069, with the follow through, we are going to see 2076. Okay, we saw the sell off. So do you buy this? I will not buy this. Why I will not buy this? Because I know that from the pre-market, we have this resistance. At the resistance, we will see that did we get any breakout or not. Okay, bulls are trying. Bulls are again trying. But what happened here? Do we sell this? We will not even sell this. But this was the weak bulls who thought this, that we are not going above. They sold this thing. But we remember, guys, we have this target from pre-market. We were prepared. It's a resistance. So do we sell that? We will not sell that. I will see that do we get a follow through. If there is a follow through, this is the first entry shot. The same way, we do not go long on the first entry, we do not go short on the first entry. We will not sell this. Why we will not sell this? This is very aggressive buying, and we are above our 2063, and we have the major support which is 2060. In a bigger picture, we are long. Go back to 4-hour chart. Remember, above 2063, either we drag or whatever we do, we are going for a swing long to 2076 for our blue target. Okay, we saw the buying. Do you buy this? No, we will not buy this. We are not. I mean, you can short scalp this and that. If you go to the 4-hour early morning video, I mentioned that short is only for scalpers and long is for swings. So we don't do nothing. We'll wait. We'll wait for this breakout. Okay, bulls tried. Bulls tried again. Okay, we are getting a sideways price action. It's a breakout mode. Did we get the breakout or not? We closed above. Yes, this is our limit order should be 2071 or 2070 or 2070 quarter, whatever. 2 or 3 tick above. Our limit order is this. Where should be our stop? Our stop is now 2065. This is the base. This is the support. Okay, are we long or not? What I will do is I will like if I have, let's say, buying 5 contracts, I got filled for 2, I'll buy 2 more. We are going up. Why we are going up? Why we are not coming down? What is the reason, guys? This line came from 4-hour chart before the open. So before the open, this was the resistance. Whoever was holding a short position, they are covering now. They are not happy for that. Now what happened after they took this resistance? This becomes one directional to 2076. Okay. So with this, we might be getting a pullback. We will close our position and we'll see 2072 and above. We'll close. I will say either we should close or we should move our stop to 2070. Okay, bulls are buying. Bulls are buying. All these tails. I mean, remember, let's go to yesterday. Yesterday here, I mentioned that tails means we are going up. Tails means we are going up. So we don't want to see the tails. Tails always tell us that, somebody is buying for the next leg up. Okay, we tested that. But what's happening with these tails? With these tails, we are going above. Okay, right now we should see that if we take our 2072 or not. But again, guys, bigger picture, we are dragging. It's a magnet. Bulls are dragging to 2076. When you can short the market at a higher price, why would you short here? There is no short sellers. Everybody is buying. They are simply buying this guy for the next leg up. Okay, we saw the sell-off. What you should do? It's basically right now, we have push 1, this is push 2, this is push 3. Either we can get sideways to up. Okay, this is a breakout mode. Bulls trying for the breakout. I mean, when I see this kind of a price action, I put a limit order of a high of a day. I put 2 or 3 tick above to get filled with the stop below this. So, like whoever had a limit order, they might have got filled. And right now they are holding a negative position. But they are back above. So that means there is a follow through buying after the breakout. Follow through buying. One directional. Oh wow, what we see? We see this, our blue target is coming. So we are at 74, 75-ish. So we're going to reach to 76. Okay. What happened here? Why this is a sell-off? We didn't reach our target, What happened here is the volatility decreased. We were overextended here. There was like one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, about seven bull bars. These were the profit takers that who are weak bulls who are trying to take their profit, but we are still one directional. We are going towards one direction since open. From 2063 we had one direction. From 4-hour chart there was only resistance as 2069. There is no resistance, and this is our support right now. What's happening here is it's a profit taking, it's a bear trap. Okay, is this a short or not? We are in a one directional side. Once we're in a one direction side, and we are so strong, we're so bull that 7 consecutive bull bars, we will not take this shot. On a bigger picture, if we go to the 4-hour, this is like, we closed our 4-hour here. This was our 4-hour. So 4-hour traders, let me take you quickly to 4-hour. 4-hour traders, we close at 74, and after that they are taking the profit. Such a good breakout. After this breakout, first pullback will get bought and we'll go for the target. We have the target above. So basically, like, we need to remember, if you guys cannot remember your 4-hour chart, open a 4-hour chart on a side and see what's going on. Did we had a good breakout or not? So over here we had a very good breakout. I believe we were here. Okay. So this was the breakout, and let's see what's the time right now. Time is 12:30. 12:30. Most of the times, 4 out of 5 days, 12:30 is a nap time when the volatility decreases. If you guys have not made money in 63, 62, in 12 points, if you have not made money, you will lose more money right now. As we were one directional and we have a target above, we are prepared before the open of the market, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Please, we were prepared in our 4-hour chart that we are going higher 2063, then the next target is 2069, closed well above 2069 is a target 2076 and our blue trend line. That's what we are reaching towards. This is no more a scalp. This is a swing trade with the right stop, and right stop is 2069, 2 to 3 ticks below, which is 2068 quarter or something like that. Okay, sideways. I mean, this is the time I do not want to even discuss with you guys. This thing looks like, okay, we are going down, and these tails right away came. This is the time. 12:30 to 2:30, 12 to 2:30. Like, this is the time when there is a trap mode. This is a nap time mode. You can lose a lot of money. Why? Because everything looks prominent and nothing looks good. It's a breakout mode, tight range, less volatility, nothing is moving. You're tired. You need to take a break and come back after 2 o'clock and see if something is happening or not. But what I'm trying to teach here is, if you cannot make money here, one direction, when there is so much volatility, you will not be able to make money now. You're tired. You're like, if you, you have to make money here, guys. Simple. If you're following me, I want to make you successful. I'm gonna try to make you successful to trade 2 to 3 hours in the morning. Most of the days, first hour, and we are done for the day. We're going to talk first hour because volatility is increased. Everybody is jumping in. Swing traders taking positions. Day trading taking positions. Everybody is jumping in the market to see what's going to happen. Okay, right now, if we take high of the day, this is 275. We should go long for our blue target. So we close. You see here, we closed above, kind of above our 2075 for the next target. So this is the target for bulls. Is bears are selling right now? Bears will not sell. When they can sell higher, they will not sell here. This was one directional. After 2063, this was one directional. After 2069, this was one directional. And we saw all this price action, sideways to the breakout. You see what happened here? We were dragging. Few computers might have this trend line, few computers might have this support, this target. So we dragged around this price action. I mean, if I would have tried trading this, I would have picked 5 good trades and 5 bad trades, and at the end of the day give my money away in commissions and made nothing. So this is not the time to trade. I was buying this low. Today I made some good money. I was like, I was trading very high volume today. So we saw this breakout. Why are these tails here? This I'm gonna share with you tomorrow morning. Once we're gonna open, this is the short position. Short guys are taking and they are selling every high. They're expecting the 4-hour breakout to fail, and we're going for the next leg down. So this is how we close. Tomorrow, if we open below, then it's going to be sell off to the downside. If we open above, let me take you to the 4-hour. I don't want to discuss as of now because we don't know what overnight market brings for us. But most likely what we can see in the morning is, let's go to the 4-hour. If you see, if we close above this, there is one trend line which I wanted to add in the morning after seeing, exactly what's happening. Okay, this goes here. Okay, let's change the color of this guy as well. Edit S25. We'll make it big dotted. Let's do purple. Okay. So if we close well above this purple guy, then the next target is 287 with the next target 294. If we failed here, then we're going to see 2063 again. First we're going to test 2069 and then we're going to test 2063. It's going to be flush. Right now we are making kind of double top here. With the double top we need to see are we successful or not. I'm gonna see tomorrow morning if we're successful or not, and then go from there. Guys, please remember, 4-hour chart is the chart which makes a lot of meaning. The trend lines make a lot of meaning for us. If you go back, 2-3 days back, I was been discussing about 2063 when we were here, that if we close above 2063 I'm going up, if we close below 2044-45 I'm going down. So we closed above 2063. This was a one directional trade. And again, guys, I have a very good friend from Germany. He emailed me today. He didn't do much very good today because he was trading 2-minute chart. I'm gonna make a video tonight or maybe tomorrow to explain how you can use a best setup like me. No distraction. You have to be very disciplined. You will not look at 2-minute, 1-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute chart. You will not even look at that. You will only look at 5-minute chart. And if you do not remember, if you cannot remember 4-hour, you will open 2 charts. I sometimes have, today I had 15-minute, today I had this chart here. There were multiple charts, but I was trading from my 4-hour chart as it was very clear. So the thing is, you need to understand that 4-hour chart, if you cannot remember, open it on a side so that you can see the bigger picture. We need to understand the bigger direction of the trade. Only then we can make money. You cannot go against the trade. There are thousands of contracts being traded, and your 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20 contracts gonna get killed, chopped if you're at the wrong direction. And from where we get the direction? We get the direction from 4-hour chart, guys. Please remember. So 4-hour chart, we were bullish from here, and we saw this. We had this target since morning. Go to the morning video. Everything I was saying that we are bullish, scalpers go short, but everything goes swing trading to long to this target. I'm talking price action. I want you guys to get very confident. Do not even look at any other chart. 4 hour for a day trader, 4 hour for a day trader, and 4 hour for a day trader. I cannot stress this enough. And after gulping it out, you should be very much, you should remember it, like remember the targets blindfolded. You shouldn't have to need a 4 hour chart in front of you to remember that what are the targets. And once you see your price action going around that targets, go for it, either short or long, whatever direction we are in a bigger picture. So we were in a bigger picture long after 2063 for this target with a minute with a little bit of a resistance from morning pre-market 2079, and today we saw that. Please, you need to understand. Review the morning video which I make. Before that, go ahead and do your own study with 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart is a magical chart for a day trader who can make a lot of money just by understanding the direction of the overall trade. The direction overall was bullish, so we were bulls in the morning. See the morning video, we were bulls. So we made a lot of money today just being bulls. So please try and understand. Right now, I think possibility is we can see some kind of a sell-off. If we didn't saw the sell-off, as I told you guys in my previous videos, I'll not be surprised if we retest the green trend line and then see the flush. Weekly chart, we can see bull, and next week we can see bear, then we can see bull, and then we can see flush. So overall bearish. Overall we will be going down. No all-time high for me as of now, but let's see what future holds for us. It's all game of probabilities. For a day trader, you should be focused in our 4 hour chart, and 4 hour chart has everything for us. Good luck, everybody. See you tomorrow morning, and let's make a lot of money which can be made from this chart. Understand the 4 hours. Study tonight. Draw your trend lines. Give reasoning. My study material will be out, and then things gonna be more easier. But at least I'm putting an effort. Now I need your effort to be put in as well, so that whatever I'm saying start making meaning and start making money for you guys as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.